Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Before we start, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and as well as that, comment down below, I subscribed, and you'll be entered in our monthly shoutout giveaway. On today's video, we're going to be looking at some of the most painful injuries in sports. When the tendon at the back of the ankle, the Achilles tendon, is overused, inflammation and pain can occur, which is known as acute Achilles tendonitis. If this condition is left untreated, it can become chronic and the injury can worsen until it becomes impossible to run. Achilles tendonitis is the most common among runners and athletes who participate in sports that involve jumping or running. In order to prevent this, it's recommended that stretching and stretching exercises for the calf muscles can help prevent injury to the Achilles tendon. You also want to rest, put ice on it, compression, and elevation, also known as RICE, and anti-inflammatory medicine, and strengthen your calf muscles is your best treatment option. A concussion is an injury to the brain that is usually the result of a blow to the head. Symptoms include disorientation, vision disturbance, headache, dizziness, amnesia, loss of balance, difficulty concentrating, and nausea. A concussion does not necessarily involve a loss of consciousness. Concussions are the most common in contact sports, such as football, boxing, hockey, and soccer. However, they also occur in sports like skiing and gymnastics. While most people return to normal a few weeks or months after a concussion, multiple concussions can cause permanent damage. The best way to prevent a concussion is to avoid contact sports, but that may not be a viable option for many people. Treating a concussion simply involves resting, although you can take Tylenol if you have a headache. Depending on the severity of your concussion, you'll have to refrain from playing contact sports for a few hours to a few months. Returning to play too quickly could result in second impact syndrome, a potentially fatal condition. Strained groin or adductor muscles, the fan-like muscle situated in the upper thigh that's severe to hold the legs together, usually happens when you suddenly change directions while running, such as in soccer, hockey, basketball, racket sports, football, and volleyball. Symptoms include sharp pain, swelling, and sometimes even bruising on the inside of the thigh. As with most sports injuries, the best way to avoid a groin pull is to stretch properly before exercising. Also, gradually increasing the intensity of the activity rather than jumping into the activity too quickly can help prevent injury, and strengthening the groin muscles can be helpful too. RICE, combined with anti-inflammatory medications, is the best treatment plan. Don't do anything too strenuous for a week or two after the injury, and when you do resume exercising, apply ice to the affected area after your workout until healed. Although lower back pain is much less common among athletes than among sedentary and overweight people, it can affect runners, cyclists, golfers, tennis players, and baseball players. While there are many types of lower back pain, bulging discs, back spasms, and pain reaching down the leg from the lower back, known as cicada, the most common reason for sports-related back pain is simply improper stretching. In case of runners, having even the slightest discrepancy in leg length can cause back pain. Although some lower back injuries cannot be prevented, warming up properly before exercising will greatly reduce your risk of injury. While bulging discs and cicada require fast medical treatment, you can treat a simple muscle pain or back spasm yourself with RICE, anti-inflammatory medication, and stretching. Runners with a difference in leg length can get arthritic lifts from a progist to correct the problem. With that said, this will bring us to the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, once again, be sure to leave a like and subscribe, and as well as that, comment down below saying I subscribed, and again, you'll be entered in our monthly shoutout giveaway. Thank you for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video.